feet wet.
PBS Kids welcomes Let's Go Luna! Andy, Carmen, and Leo, pals who travel all over the world.
I love the Nile River!
They make friends everywhere they go, but their favorite is...
Luna!
Hola, everyone! Luna's the moon and has a very important job to do.
Time for me to get back into the sky.
But she'll go on more adventures tomorrow. Let's Go Luna! A new show starting Wednesday, November 21st on PBS Kids and on the PBS Kids video app.
Now, on the PBS Kids video app, it's Let's Go Luna.
You know what happens when I hear music? I gotta dance!
Let's Go Luna, a brand new show on PBS Kids.
Woohoo! Let's go!
Check it out today on the free PBS Kids video app.
Splash and Bubbles is made possible in part by the National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Gonna dance, clap our hands, make some music today. But now, before we do, hello, hello, hello from me to you. Sway sideways if you're happy or here, 'cause we're so happy you're here. Hello.
Get ready for Let's Go Luna, a brand new show from PBS Kids.
Moscow is known for its most dazzling metro stations, where you can take an underground train to any place in Moscow. Let's go! Woohoo! We're here! Not quite, but we are very, very close.
Let's Go Luna, a new show starting November 21st on PBS Kids and on the PBS Kids video app.
Funding for Curious George is provided by contributions to your PBS station. And from viewers like you, thank you.
There's a place where imagination, curiosity, and wonder are launched. Amazing isn't all of us. It just needs a little nurturing.
We believe a little bit of curiosity can fuel a lifetime of learning. ABCmouse.com, Early Learning Academy. Proud sponsor of PBS Kids and Curious George.